Hello, Mr. Lansky. It's Ruud Jensen, your crew manager here.
Oh, hello. Nice to hear from you.
I've got some good news for you. Your promotion to chief officer was confirmed yesterday. You'll join the vessel in a month and relieve the Italian chief officer who's been promoted to master.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. I'm looking forward to starting.
I hope the route that we're taking will keep us away from the pirates.
Unfortunately, there's no real safe route nowadays. The pirates have gradually increased the area they cover.
Well, surely their weapons and vessels are fairly basic.
You'd be surprised how sophisticated they are, actually. They can be frighteningly professional. But I'm not too worried at the moment. You see that vessel on the horizon?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's a warship. There are 35 international warships patrolling these waters now. As long as that warship's around, we should be okay.